Hey guys, welcome back. Today we're going to be doing some TEMU GEL-X nails. I'm going to be using these ultra short coffins. I've used these before. I really like them. The inside is etched matte, but you do have to buff the outside, and I'm super excited because I'm trying this nailpop nail glue for the first time. I think it was like $2. I really hope it's still available because this glue is so good and you get so much. I might even like it better than my top fave, the Unagella solid nail glue in the tube. This one is so easy to work with. Wait until you see. So it comes with a squeeze top like that. It's not like the pinpoint one, but it's fine for the price and the amount you get and how good it is. It's so worth it. So I already have my rubber base coat on, which I showed quickly. You can totally find one on Temu or Shein as well. And I'm just kind of putting some in the tip, not too much, and it was so easy to work with. And it stays in place, which I was shocked because it's not completely solid like the tub type Gel-X nail glues, and I didn't get any air bubbles. I was able to wipe away my excess and the nail didn't move. Like, I was so surprised. I can't wait to use this glue again, and then I'm just flash curing for like a couple of seconds, and then I'm gonna move on to all the other nails. I didn't dehydrate and prep on top of my rubber base because I'm not really keeping these on for super long, but you definitely want to do that if you want to keep your nails on for a long time. But since I do so much content, that's why I'm doing it like this. But just make sure you add that step in for yourself. This glue, I love it so much. I'm so mad that I waited as long as I did to try it. I had it in my drawer of new stuff. You will be seeing me use this glue again for sure. So I'm just going to continue doing that on all the nails. Super easy. I've been dying to do a Gel-X tutorial so bad, and I hope you guys like this. It's super simple. Pretty much literally everything is from Temu except for that rubber base coat that I already have on my fingers. But yes, you do not need that. You can just use a regular base coat, or you can get a rubber base coat off of Temu, like I said. So I'm just continuing on. This was so fast. This is in real time. I did not speed this clip up at all of me applying the tips. And literally, I think my new favorite glue, guys. Like, and then the underside, it doesn't cure. I couldn't find the word cure. It doesn't cure sticky at all. Like, pretty much all of my other ones do. So I'm super excited about that. So you won't get any like gross stuff stuck to the back of the nail because it cured completely non-stick. And off camera, after I finish up with the pinky and the flash cure, I do cure in my big lamp, which you definitely want to do for 60 seconds. But you guys, you see how fast this application was? Like, I'm using my left hand too and everything, and I'm right-handed, so that glue, really, I can't say enough good things about it. I've seen like Nailed by Brandy use this. I think maybe a couple of other people, I'm not sure, but after I saw her video, I picked it up while it was still available, and I just literally can't get over it. So good. And now that all our tips are on and cured, I am just going to quickly buff these up with a buffer block. You can use your e-file. I just don't really love using my e-file. Yes, so that's just what I'm going to do here. And then I'm going to dust off all the extra dust and wipe them with alcohol as well, because you don't want any of that like extra dust getting in your polish once we start doing the gel polish. How cute is that brush too? I mean, it moved by quick, but it's a Sailor Moon makeup brush. So I'm using this double cat eye polish. It's like the pink one. It's really pretty. I just wanted to do something quick and simple, and I wanted to make sure I used all products from Temu. So yeah, that's why I chose this. I do end up doing 2 coats. I wanted it to be like semi-sheer. I could have done a third one and still had the same effect, but yes, so I'm just gonna do a little cat eye movement there. I am no cat eye magnet specialist. I cannot get the double rhythm lines. I cannot do the heart shape, but it's okay. I just wanted this glittery effect for the nails, so we're going to paint them all, and I'm going to do 2 coats, curing in between, of course, and then we will move on to rhinestoning these babies up. And again, everything is from Temu. And I do the magnet on both coats just to like get as much glittery effect as I can. And I forgot how, wow, I'm so stupid. I'm going to like glitter ombre on the tips just to like cover up where my nail, like where you can see through the nail, because this polish is pretty sheer and I didn't do a base color, so I decided to do a glitter ombre tip, which I'm really happy about, and it's super holographic, and you will see it's absolutely gorgeous and so easy to do if you want to have a quick Gel-X set or just a quick gel set in general. This was just so easy and fast. I'm really happy about it. Just showing me doing the thumb here. I'm sure if you're better at using the magnet than me, you can probably get the double color effect, but I just could not figure it out for the life of me. But I think they still turned out cute. So I'm using this holographic laser gel. That's what it says on there. It's just a silver holographic glitter. And I'm taking my favorite ombre brush, which is also from Temu, and I'm just painting like a rough French tip design, but I don't want it to be perfect, and I think that goes so pretty with the polish. And this is so easy to do if you don't want to take the time to do an exact French tip, but you still want to like get the look. And it did me good because it covered up my glue, which I didn't want to particularly see through the nails. So I'm gonna also do 2 coats of this just to get maximum glitter effect. And I cure in between. I'm curing every gel polish layer for 60 seconds. And if you're still here watching this, I like to do this. If you're one of my subscribers, you know, comment me down below some diamond emojis in your comment if you decide to leave one, so I know that you were here watching. And if you could give this video a thumbs up, I would really appreciate it. I'm trying super hard to reach 1,000 subscribers and get my watch time up, so any little thing would definitely help me out, and I appreciate it so much. Love you guys, and I hope that you enjoy this Temu tutorial. More definitely are to come. I have so many Temu gel extensions that I'm dying to try. I think I want to do the other hand, like a long coffin. I'm not sure, but look how pretty that thumb is. I love it so much. I do have like 3 or 4 more of these cat eye gels, and I can't wait to use them. They're small, but they're really nice and smooth. They're not like thick and clumpy. Like, they really have good stuff on Temu. So I cure that, and I'm taking these like ABS circle flatback rhinestones and my wax nail pencil and my favorite nail glue that I still have not used up, surprisingly. I don't know how. And I'm just gonna do some little simple designs with these. I just thought the color of these stones went well with the polish and the glitters and stuff, because it's just like multicolored. So this one, I do add a couple more, and I kind of just make a little swoop with them. And then the thumb, I do a full French tip across with the rhinestones, which actually that's my favorite nail. I wish I would have done the middle finger like that as well, but it is what it is. There's always next time. You guys know I'm constantly doing my nails and making press-ons. Let me know down below if you have any certain nail requests for videos that you would like to see, like a certain trend or anything. I love trying new things, so let me know down below if there's anything in particular you'd like to see. But yeah, super simple. Just wanted to add more sparkle, and it definitely gave me the effect that I wanted. This rhinestone glue is so good. I love it so much. It's in the squeeze tube. I have one in a tub, and it was like the first one I got. I mean, it's no wipe, it works well, but just the squeeze tube is so much more convenient. And I'm just flash carrying with a little flashlight that I also got on Temu, just so nothing moves while I finish up the rest of the nails until I can do my full cure. I definitely recommend getting a little flashlight. It really makes everything just work so much smoother, and it helps you not have to have your hand in the big lamp for so long until you're ready. So yeah. And on the other fingers, I'm just going to apply one gem in the middle of the French, and then I'm going to top coat, and we're going to be good to go. This was so simple, so fast. And guys, that glue, I love it so much. Let me know down below what your favorite products from Temu are. What's like some of your favorite things that you bought from there? I'm definitely interested in hearing, because literally everything I get from there I love. Like, I've never bought something that's a piece of garbage. So it's just so good for nail supplies. It really is. So that's what we're looking like. I cured that for 60 seconds, and now I'm going to top coat with this no wipe top coat, and we're gonna be all done. And now I'm just going to add a bit of this peach cuticle oil. My cuticles are not in the best shape right now. They're super dry. I have such dry skin. It's so annoying. So I'm just going to put some of this on to finish up the nail set. And I hope you guys enjoyed watching. I love you all, and I will see you in the next one.